wind your bobbins, thread caught, and then wind it towards you. It will eventually catch, and then just wind. When you have enough thread on your bobbin, and then put a slip knot in like that stops the thread from slipping and the bobbin from slipping. And when you then need to lengthen your bobbins, it lengthens. You just have to twist them and the thread automatically lengthens. So, but if you wind your bobbins the other way, the slip knot will not stay and your bobbins will just, and it's very frustrating. So you must wind like that. When it comes to putting your bobbins back together, having cut them off, if you have a bobbin with a knot in it, unwind it beyond the knot, so you do not leave a knot in on the bobbin. So then you put it together beyond the knot, and you take off the last knot from the last one is there. So you have then a pair of bobbins with a knot in the middle and no knot either side.